Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna pasta salad with mayo updated. Start by boiling 8 ounces of pasta until al dente, then rinse under cold water. While pasta cools, mix 1 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and a squeeze of lemon. Fold in 2 cans drained tuna, chopped celery, and peas. Adjust seasoning to taste and chill before serving for best texture and flavor. Gather everything first so you can cook without interruptions, and pre-measure mayo, salt, and lemon. Boil pasta to package directions and cool it quickly under cold water. Combine mayonnaise with salt, pepper, and a splash of lemon juice, then fold in tuna, celery, and peas until evenly coated. Taste and tweak the seasoning, adding a bit more mayo or lemon if needed, then refrigerate for at least 1 hour. When assembling, fold ingredients gently to keep tuna flakes intact and pasta from breaking. If the salad looks dry, add reserved dressing a tablespoon at a time until you reach the desired creaminess. Always taste for salt and lemon before chilling, because flavors soften in the fridge. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour so flavors meld, then serve cold straight from the bowl or on a bed of lettuce for a simple.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.